Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete your VIX account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in vix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to VIX if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have my site where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup to the home screen, the settings. In the bottom left corner, we have the design site. And at the moment, we are in the dashboard, which we also, as you can see, have. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete your VIX account. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. You'll have two options, the account settings option and the logout option. You just need to go and click on the account settings option. A screen like this will pop out, as you can see. Here you have a lot of things about your account. So you have your account information, the login information, verifications, etc, etc. What you need to do is scroll down to the very last option, close your account. To close your account, first move any remaining sites to trash. If your site has any premium plans or domains connected, you'll need to cancel your transfer or transfer them first. And then you just need to go and click on the close your account button. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.